tell you what, boy, you redeemed yourself on that one.
That was good.
Okay, this is... I don't know who this is.
That's Big Kevin.
Is that Kevin?
Kevin?
Yeah, I think it's Kevin.
Kevin!
Incoming, Andy, hurry! Hey, Andy, hurry! Come on, there's one coming right behind you.
I guess his name's Kevin?
Oh, Kevin.
Little PIO?
Hi.
Oh, he's coming right for me, isn't he?
Run away.
I'm gonna duck anyway. Nice.
Oh!
Yeah! Good job.
Pushing
Gotta
that
come
thing
in
left
high.
and it
It's
wasn't
like
going.
8 feet tall.
Yeah, he's a big guy, isn't he?
Jeez.
Yeah.
You think he's going to flare way high, but man, he's there.
Yeah, did you see something to eat shit today?